Welcome to Hackersfriend. If you are looking to learn data science, blockchain, big data, UI designing, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies, you have come to the right place. We have tons of tutorials for you. You can explore them from our tutorial section. We have designed them in format of step-by-step learning, so you can directly follow it without wasting too much time. Once you complete learning, don't forget to head over to our coding lab section and experiment with some challenges. Or if you are already a developer, welcome aboard. Hackersfriend is a community of awesome developers like you. Head over to our project section and see what you would like to work on today. We have projects from companies in all domains, ranging from data science to UI designing and testing. If you love reading about new innovations like we do, you would love our article sections. We regularly post articles about new technologies, startups, lifestyle of developers, tricky coding problems, and a lot. If you have a story of your own, feel free to share with us. We would love to read it. So what are you waiting for? Head over to hackersfriend.com and start now from where you are and what you have, and build a path to where you want to reach in your career.